Hello, hello, hello. How is everyone today? Do-da-do-da-day. How are we all doing? Well, that was weird, wasn't it? Suddenly it all went very, very bright in here. The sun must have just shot out again from behind the clouds. Are you having an absolutely fabulous half-term week? Are you enjoying the sunshine? I so hope so. So I wanted to quickly pop on live and do a quick product demonstration. Okay, so this is all about our mini warmers. So I'm just going to turn this slightly to try and get one of our mini warmers in shot. So I hope you can see this. This is actually the Lily Garden mini warmer. So this is a little glass mini warmer. Now our warmers are amazing. Let me just turn it back to me just for a second. So instead of having a flame, which is obviously quite dangerous, and fragrancing your house should never be dangerous. So instead of having a flame, our warmers gently warm the wax to melt it using a light bulb. Okay, now we have all different styles, from lovely big warmers to what I'm talking about today, our mini warmers. Now you can see I've got one just plugged in to demo it just here. Now I'm just going to turn it off. Now I have literally only just turned it on because I would not recommend moving a mini warmer or any warmer about when you've got melted wax in it, because that's the way to have a waxident, and nobody wants one of those. And believe me, I've had plenty wax everywhere. So I try and avoid it if I can. So our little mini warmers go directly into the wall. So as I say, let me just unplug this one, try and get it out. This is the Lily Garden. Now we have two different styles of mini warmer. We have glass mini warmers and we have ceramic mini warmers. So this is a glass one, and as I say, this is the Lily Garden. You can see I've already melted some wax in there, but it is totally hard and not about to drip anywhere. Now, what is super cool about our little mini warmers is all the shades also fit on a tabletop base. So you can change these. If you already have a mini warmer and think, actually, I want it in a different place, I want it up on my sideboard, or I want it on the mantelpiece, you can do this. And I'm going to show you how. And all you do is you unscrew it. So you just unscrew the shade off the mini warmer base, just like that. And in there you can see that's the light bulb that warms the wax. Okay, these take 15-watt light bulbs, so very low power and just gently warming the wax for us. So you take that off and you put that to one side. And then I've got a tabletop base, and this is what the tabletop base looks like. So it doesn't plug directly into the wall. It sits, as I say, on your sideboard, on your mantelpiece, on the table, on a dressing table, anywhere you like. It sits like that. It's got a lead, and you just plug it into wherever you've got a socket. So it just sits like that. And then all you do, which, as I say, this is so super cool and so easy, is you take your shade and you literally just screw it. Ooh, if I can get it straight. Things never go to plan when you're on camera, does it? That's because I'm holding it at an angle. I should really be doing it straight. There we go. You just screw it directly onto that tabletop base. And there you have it. So that will now just sit, as I say, on a mantelpiece, wherever you want it, and you just plug it in. And you can do that with any of our mini warmers. So any of the shades will fit a tabletop base. Now, as I say, we have ceramic and glass, and they have different bases. But if you've already got a mini warmer and quite fancy having it as a tabletop base, you can buy the bases for £22. Just make sure you get the right one to go with your shade, whether it's ceramic or glass. The bases are the same price. You just have to match them up with the right shade, because the ceramic ones fit on slightly different ones. The glass ones just screw directly in. And it is as simple as that. And of course, you can do it the other way around. So if you've already bought it as a tabletop, but fancy having it as a mini warmer going directly into the wall, again, you can buy the fitting just to go into the wall, which is £12. And again, you simply unscrew that shade and screw it onto the one you want. So it is that simple. How flipping amazing is that? I hope you liked that. I hope you enjoyed my little demonstration. Now go off and enjoy your beautiful weather and enjoy half term. Take care, everyone. Bye.